welcome to my 7-day yoga challenge. This is a challenge to help you create your own yoga practice. And I'm your course host. My name is Dina Ghandour. I'm a yoga and meditation instructor based in Dubai, and I'm super excited to guide you through this challenge. This 7-day challenge is all about exploring the foundations and fundamentals of a well-rounded yoga practice. On each day, we'll dive into the different elements of practicing the physical aspects of yoga so that by the end of the course, you feel confident to practice yoga anywhere, anytime. This challenge is for anyone that might be new to yoga who's looking to learn the practice in an accessible way, or perhaps for someone that's more of a seasoned practitioner that's looking to dive deeper and get more established in their practice. Perhaps you're feeling intimidated to join a group yoga class because you're not sure you'll fit in or are flexible enough. Maybe you don't have the accessibility of your time, or your finances are a little bit constrained at the moment. You attend classes regularly but haven't quite yet established your own self-practice. Maybe you've seen so many offerings online and you're just feeling overwhelmed with all of the options and you're not sure where to begin. And maybe you're aware of what the impact of modern day lifestyle has had on your physical body. You're feeling the aches and pains of sitting down, of being on a desk or working on a computer all day, and you're just ready to relieve some of that tension, open up, find more strength and flexibility in the body. And so my ultimate goal for this challenge is to really help you understand the principles of yoga in an accessible way. You'll feel the confidence of being equipped with the knowledge to practice it anywhere, anytime, at your own level, at your own pace. I'm super excited to start this challenge with you. We're going to take it day by day, taking it step by step. And trust me, by the end of this challenge, you're going to feel more at home in your practice, more at home in your body, and definitely a whole lot calmer.